Today we're taking a look at these hydrating lip masks with hyaluronic acid and collagen from Skin Control. Now I have looked at Skin Control in the past on my channel, and I did see these at my local pharmacy, chemist, whatever it is that you call it. And I thought, why not? They are an inexpensive hydrogel lip treatment that claims to plump and hydrate all within 15 minutes, which obviously we're going to try. Do these actually do anything, or is it just a novelty sheet mask for your lips? Let's find out. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel. Welcome back, my name's Hayden. Let's dive in. Now these were very affordable. I paid around, I believe it was $10 to $15 for these, so it's not going to break your bank. For that money, you do get 6 masks within here. It says it right on the top, and I've got the website open. The packaging, but also on the website, claims or highlights 4 main claims. Hydrates lips, plumps lips, replenishes dryness, leaves your lips looking fresh in just 15 minutes. Key ingredients: hyaluronic acid, which we all know is excellent at attracting moisture or water and temporarily improving hydration, and collagen. Calls it out right on the front. It is worth actually calling out that topical collagen that you obviously put on top doesn't penetrate deep enough to actually rebuild collagen in your lips. In skincare, it's primarily acting as a moisturizing and conditioning ingredient rather than rebuilding collagen within. So I would expect the hydration claim to be a lot more accurate than the actual plumping, unless it's one of those things where it's going to sting and just by reaction your lips get plumper. We have your standard, it kind of looks like a strawberry for some reason. It reminds me of strawberry, even though it's got watermelon on the front. There are strawberries as well. Your standard packaging, it's kind of matte foil. There is a tear here line and it's resealable. And we are preparing for a trip to Thailand, so I'm in need of a haircut. That's why it looks like this. I like that you can reseal it. And here are the lip masks within. Now it is quite wet in there. It smells very fruity, very sweet. According to the website and on the back, like I said, it does have a pleasant smell. It's more cosmetic than natural. It's not overpowering. It kind of reminds me of bubblegum. Application is pretty straightforward. Place it over clean lips, leave it on for 15 minutes, and that's about it. Obviously, I won't be able to talk during. Before I put them on, we'll see if there is, I do have a wonderful pimple coming up there on the top of my lip. We'll look at my lips before. We'll do a comparison after. The container it comes in within the Ziploc is also sealable. Here we have the mask. Now once these go on, I will start the timer and we will be right back. Really not sure how this is gonna work. I don't believe it's made for men or people with facial hair because it is not gonna stick. So I may need to just hold it there.
A few moments later.
There goes our timer. It's definitely cooling on the lips. You can definitely see it's noticeably more hydrated. There's a shine to it. As for plumping, you know, I was extremely skeptical because I had to physically hold it on my lips due to the hair around it. It would not lay down. I do not think it's going to do anything in the way of plumping, but I can feel, my lips feel slightly fuller, which is odd because there was no stinging sensation whatsoever. But you'll need to let me know. I'll do the side by side. The standout feature that I definitely think can't be denied is the hydration. They feel a lot smoother across the rough texture of my lip. It was very cooling and soothing at the same time. I had to literally sit and hold the entire time. So if you think you're going to be having this on and doing housework and all of the stuff, probably not going to stay on your face. While I wouldn't buy these expecting massively big lips or drastic changes, I think for the price point, they do a nice job of a quick hydration. I definitely think that these are best for people who get dry, flaky lips, they're time poor, or they need something quick to get on the go. But if you're hoping for these to replace quality lip ingredients or quality lip products, this is not for you. Considering these are very affordable, I think that they offer decent value. They're a nice little pampering product that will give you some hydration for a few hours. I do think that the packaging leans a little too heavily into the plumping aspect of it because the improvements come from moisture, not necessarily the plumping. If you're after budget-friendly treatment for your lip, these are for you. If you've tried these before, let me know your experience. I'm always keen to hear if it's the same or if it's different. I will link everything down below, but for now, I'll see you in the next one.